Minsan, the person you've been waiting for all your life arrives at the wrong time. Dear Ate Jo, itago mo na lang ako sa pangalang Maya. This is the story of how I loved someone with all my heart, but still lost him, because sometimes love is not enough. I'm Maya, 27 years old, working as a nurse sa isang private hospital dito sa BGC. Ever since bata pa ako, I always believed in forever. Hindi ako yung tipo na palipat-lipat ng relasyon. I wait, I commit, and I give my all. Kaya when I met Ethan, I thought, this is it. Siya na talaga. We met 3 years ago sa isang coffee shop. Naka-duty ako noon, sobrang pagod, pero nag-stop over para magkape. He was there, reading a book. Nagkatitigan kami, and for some reason, he smiled. And that smile felt like home. Mabilis ang lahat. Text, tawag, late-night talks. He was consistent, caring, and most of all, he made me feel safe. I loved that feeling. Kasi sa mundong puno ng uncertainty, Ethan felt like my certainty. Pero Ate Jo, not all perfect love stories have perfect timing. Ethan was engaged. Hindi niya agad sinabi. I only found out after 8 months. He explained na arranged marriage daw yun, family pressure, at wala siyang choice. Sabi niya, please, Maya, give me time. I'll fix this. I'll choose you. And I believed him. Kasi mahal ko siya. Pero Ate Jo, ang hirap magmahal sa dilim. Laging patago, laging may kaba. I couldn't hold his hand in public, couldn't post our pictures, at tuwing malapit na ang monthsary namin, mas inuuna niya ang family events nila. Hanggang dumating yung araw na pinakakinatatakutan ko. Naka-duty ako noon, biglang may nagpadala ng wedding invitation sa hospital, at yung bride and groom, Ethan and her. Parang tumigil ang mundo ko. My knees gave way. I remember running sa CR, locking the door, and just breaking down. Lord, bakit? Akala ko kami na. That night, tinawagan ko siya. Umiiyak ako. All he said was, Maya, I'm sorry. I can't fight them anymore. I hope you understand. Understand? Paano ko iintindihin na hindi niya ako pinili? Na months akong naghintay, nagtiwala, nagdasal. Tapos sa huli, ako pa rin yung talo? After that, I resigned sa hospital, moved to a different city. It took me a year to heal, to accept that love is not always about who's willing to stay, but who's free to choose you every single day. Now, I'm slowly learning na I deserve a love that's certain, not hidden. Na hindi ko kailangang makipag-agawan para lang mahalin. Ate Jo, if someone truly loves you, they will choose you. Not when it's convenient, not when it's easy, but every single day, kahit mahirap. Kayo, Ate Jo, at sa lahat ng nakikinig ngayon, kapag ba may mahal ka pero hindi ka kaya ipaglaban, worth it pa bang hintayin?